What is up YouTube, Jamos here, and in this video we're going to unbox the Sony ZVE-10. Starting off with the box, you see on the front the camera and the lens included. On the side it says ZVE-10. Let's go ahead and get inside the box. Opening the box, you're going to be greeted with regulatory information and manual. Underneath that will be the camera and the accessories. Start with the accessories. Grab the power brick that it comes with to charge the camera, and an included lanyard. Next up, we got the battery. This is the wind guard for the microphone to keep the audio nice and clear. And your charging cable / data cable. Go ahead and get to the camera itself. And here it is, the Sony ZVE-10. As you see, the lens is already mounted on it. You can buy the camera without the lens if you already have your own lenses. Just go ahead and show you what comes in the box. Remember, this is the lens bundle. They do sell a body only bundle as well for cheaper. And that's everything that comes in the box for this. Alright, now that we're done with the unboxing, let's go ahead and take a look at the camera. This is the included lens if you buy the kit. Up top, you have your main scroll wheel, your shoot modes button, your power switch, record button, and your background focus button. Then on the front you have your basic camera controls, as you see. This is where you'll put the battery and your SD card. This does not have internal memory, so you do need an SD card. And on this side is your ports. HDMI, USB-C, and a microphone connector. And that's basically it for the camera. That grill right there is the microphone. Alright, now I'm going to put the battery into the camera and install the microphone wind guard. So we start with the battery. This only goes in one way, and it will click in like so. And make sure the door is closed. And then the microphone wind guard, you push it in away from you, so line it up, and it should just slide right over the microphone. In a future video, I'm going to do an audio test to see how this sounds with it on the microphone. But for now, that's basically everything for the unboxing portion of this video. So as I mentioned earlier, you cannot shoot anything without a SD card. So this is a SD card that is compatible. Make sure you get the right one because your camera requires a certain speed or it won't function properly. I have a link in the description for this one. This one should be adequate for most of the camera functions. As you see, it shoots 4K at 25 frames. It's perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and set up the camera real quick. So to do that, just turn it on using the switch at the top, and you'll be greeted with this screen. Just go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions. So I'm gonna quickly brush through this. It's typical stuff for setting up any tech. Make sure you choose the correct time zone so your videos and stuff are formatted properly. Okay, now we're going to set up the date and time. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way. I'm going to show me doing this whole process just so you see everything on the screen. But it's pretty straightforward. Okay, now that that's finished, just go ahead and click enter. And you'll be greeted with this screen to register your product. You can do this on the paper included in the box, so you can skip that, and then you'll enter the viewfinder. And now you can start shooting. I'm going to quickly go over some of the settings of the camera, but I'll do another video going into detail of the function of the camera, all the settings it has, and what's a good way to set up your camera so when you shoot it's in the best quality possible. Okay, so that basically concludes the unboxing and quick look at the camera. Once again, this is the Sony ZVE-10. I will have links in the description for the SD card because it is not included with the camera. And future videos will come soon on how to use the camera and all the other functions of the camera. But until then, this is basically the unboxing and quick look. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe as it really helps me out. Talk to you later.